finally get it?
I think so. I just got this harness pulled out.
Like they attach the harness to the bottom of the intake manifold?
Oh, look at that!
Dude, look at that. That's victory right there. That's victory. That's the nastiest intake manifold. Look at that.
Where's the trash can?
Whoa.
Hey Levi, is that a fast car? Say it's fast when I push it fast. It's fast when I throw it across the room. Hey Ronnie.
What's going on?
What's up? What's up, losers? They think we're the losers, but really they're the losers for watching us. What are we doing today?
Well, we're going to start getting prepared for everything that we talked about in our unboxing video. So my plan for today is fenders, grill, bumper, all off out of the way, and try and get the intake manifold and the exhaust manifold off and out of the way.
Okay.
So that we have plenty of room to do the coilover stuff.
So we're stripping this baby. Let's put her on the pole. Get our dollars out.
So this video is all over the place, and I want to apologize for that. We just kind of like got excited, started tearing down the truck before we thought about like what we were doing and kind of explaining to you guys. So if you watch the unboxing video, you know that we got the coilover kit and the standalone ECU, and we're kind of preparing for that. So I figured while we had everything apart, we might as well put a 240 intake manifold on it. So we got that, we're working on that. And we took the turbo kit off so that we can get to this right here, and that's why we cut the fender out. So we're gonna do the same thing over here. We're gonna get the power steering reservoir moved, get this moved so that we can get our coilover kit down in there. But anyways, I had a question for you guys. I wanted to know, did you guys just want us to kind of like plow through this, or should we make it more like a DIY, like how to micro squirt your truck, or how to install B-Banny custom coilovers? I want to do what's best for you and what you guys would enjoy. So if you guys just go down in the comments below and let us know like which way you'd rather have it, that'd be really cool. Alright, let's go ahead and throw you guys into the past. We got this little camera right here. We did a whole time lapse of the whole thing. So we're going to go to the past. You guys are going to watch us tear everything down, and I'll see you when we get back.
side is done.
And
Ronnie's like just started.
Like nothing's came off, but I feel like we're getting closer.
And this has nothing to do with the fact that we've done this side like 7 times and we've never even touched this side. Has nothing to do with that.
No, not at all.
It has to do with the fact that I'm an expert mechanic.
How do I unplug these cords?
Ronnie's having so much trouble over here. There's all these like old coolant hoses, vacuum hoses, all this crap that just does not want to come off. What is that?
Fuel injector?
Injectors.
I'm gonna try and stay side feed. I don't know if this will bolt to the 240 manifold.
Okay. Daddy.
No.
Yeah, we're not in the middle of anything at all. You're gonna try to stay side feed?
Yeah, so that I can run stock like STI injectors because they're cheap.
Oh, they're side feed. Interesting. I think with my RX-7 injectors, I think they were side feed as well. The ones that came off my FC manifold. Some of them were top feed and some of them were side feed. I don't know. So, Levi, stop making noise, please. My goodness.
You and him are gonna fight.
Yeah, dude. It's gonna be like American gladiators up in here throwing Nerf balls at each other. Hurry up, Ronnie. Daggone. Ronnie's still buried in stuff over here.
We're getting closer.
Whatever. Y'all come over here with me. Let's talk. Let's chat.
Conversation Street.
Conversation Street. Anyways, y'all see this distributor right here? This is an old style distributor from a Hardbody. I wish this thing would focus faster. There it goes. This is an old style distributor from a Hardbody. We've had to swap them out because the Mega Squirt won't work with the, if you use the new style distributor, you end up having to swap out the entire ignition system, and Ryan didn't want to do that. So he can easily go with this old style distributor, and all he had to do was replace the trigger wheel inside. Where's the old trigger wheel? Here it is. This is the trigger wheel that was originally in here. You can see all the little location holes are way different. So he swapped over to this one, and he's going to be using this updated trigger wheel with an old style distributor. This came from like a 90 to, or an 80 something to 90 something Hardbody.
That's actually from a 240.
Oh, it's from a single overhead cam 240? Yeah. Oh, interesting. Okay. But is this the old style that comes in the Hardbody also?
Yes, they're the same.
They are the same. Okay. Well, awesome. So what year's the cutoff?
I believe it's 95, but I'm not 100% sure. Basically, if your truck doesn't have an external coil sitting on the fender,
Okay.
like you look like this one, like everything's built into it.
Right.
So it's real large. The other one will be it'll be smaller, like back here.
Yeah.
You'll have like a ignition coil like on your fender over here.
Okay, so that old style distributor goes with the separate ignition coil.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
So if you have that, it's simple. You just do that. If you have the new style, you gotta swap distributors and put in a coil and all that.
Well, neat. All right, take 4. Let's get this thing out. Oh, oh, oh. Nice. Nice. Whoa.
Watch out, bro.
That hit me in the face.
Okay, now I gotta get all the plugs underneath here.
Get him.
Crap.
Get him.
That's a vacuum line that goes nowhere. What else? This vacuum line is connected to the manifold.
This is quite an ordeal.
Dude,
You know, my side wasn't near this difficult. Look how empty it is over here. This is where I did work. Look at Ronnie. He's making a huge mess. Did you finally get it?
I think so. I
Pull
just
it
got
out.
this harness pulled out.
Like they attached the harness to the bottom of the intake manifold?
Oh, look at that!
Dude, look at that. That's victory right
Finally.
there. That's victory.
Where's
That's
the
the nastiest intake manifold.
I know,
Look at
like,
that.
where's the trash can?
That thing looks like the Predator. So dumb. Anyways, now we've got a bare intake side, just like we have a bare exhaust side.
Bam.
Nice.
So when we took it apart, we took the turbo off, right? And so we're taking the manifold apart. I gotta take the wastegate off, and we're gonna be taking this to Paul, and we're gonna try to design and manufacture our own turbo manifolds for you guys. When I bought this one, you know, it was so cheap. It was a good deal, 130 bucks. But now everybody messaged me. I get messages all the time. We get them on Instagram. I get them personally on Facebook, on Instagram. And people are like, man, I can't find that manifold for less than like $1,200. And I personally think that's ridiculous. That is not worth $1,200. So I want to build something that's kind of like middle of the road, not $1,200, but also not $120 or $130 or $150. I'm hoping for around $300, and it'll be just mild steel, some whatever thickness flange. I don't really know anything about this. I just am gonna take him this and be like, make it. And so he's gonna make it not out of cast iron. Hopefully that works out. If it works out, we'll let you guys know. It should only take us, I don't know, a couple weeks, and we should have one kind of ready to go. Paul's a pretty busy guy, so it might take a little longer, but regardless, it won't be forever. And I'm really excited about that. So if you guys just stay tuned, there's some pretty cool stuff going on. But we have a lot of questions that we're gonna try and answer while we're doing this. Hardbody turbo build. I'm not really sure what I'm gonna call it. I mean, it is what we're doing. We're doing more work on the turbo hardbody. So if you guys stick around for the series, I think we'll have some good stuff going on. All right, so everything's out. Turbo and all that, Beau got off. He got the Dizzy off. We have to put on the old style distributor. I think he told you guys about that. I got everything out of the way over here. So one question that I get a lot, and I might as well address this, is how I did my oil feed. And so there it is. I don't know if you guys can see that, but that's the oil pressure sensor. And I put this little T on here, and then I just tapped into that T, and the oil pressure sensor's on the bottom. Let me get a light, maybe. Maybe. I lost everything while we were doing this. I guess I could use my phone. So, there you go. You can kind of see what I'm talking about. There's that little T, and it just goes into the block. I'm not real sure what size it is. Just take your oil pressure sensor off and then go get everything made to that size. I had this oil line made at Napa. I assume everybody has an equivalent to Napa or has a Napa nearby them. It was like 30 bucks. The drain we're gonna redo. So kind of like a lot of updating going on with the truck. I'm super excited. So anyways, thanks for hanging out with us, guys. Let us know what you think in the comments below. If you haven't already, subscribe if you like what you're seeing. If not, please still subscribe. It helps us a lot. So, see you guys.